Hello from Filings Corner. Winding up a limited liability partnership, LLP, made simple and compliant. Winding up a limited liability partnership, LLP, is a formal legal process that ends the entity's existence, settles its liabilities, and removes it from MCA records. Whether you're closing a non-operational LLP, exiting due to insolvency, or restructuring your business, Filings Corner ensures the process is smooth, compliant, and penalty-free. Types of LLP winding up. 1. Voluntary winding up, initiated by LLP partners through a special resolution. Solvent LLP winding up. The LLP is debt-free or can settle all liabilities on its own. Insolvent LLP winding up. The LLP is unable to pay its debts, and creditors' approval is required. This process involves liquidation, public notices, filings, and MCA approval. 2. Compulsory winding up by NCLT, ordered by the National Company Law Tribunal if the LLP fails to file returns for 5 consecutive years, is unable to pay debts, is involved in fraud or illegal activity, fails to commence business within 1 year, faces a valid winding up petition from creditors or authorities. Step-by-step LLP winding up process. 1. Special resolution and consent. LLP partners pass a resolution for winding up and appoint a liquidator. Form 1. 2. Public notice and creditor intimation. Publish notice in local newspapers and notify all creditors. 3. Asset liquidation and debt settlement. The liquidator sells assets and clears liabilities. 4. Final statement of accounts. Form 3. Submit financials showing the LLP has no dues. Left. 5. Liquidator's final return. Form 4. A report confirming closure of books and asset distribution. 6. Dissolution application. Form 5. Final filing with MCA for approval. 7. ROC strike-off. MCA strikes off the LLP and issues the dissolution certificate MCA forms and their purpose form. Purpose, deadline, Form 1. Notice of voluntary winding up within 30 days of resolution. Form 2. Appointment of liquidator within 15 days of appointment. Form 3. Final statement of accounts before dissolution filing. Form 4. Liquidator's return. Post-settlement after debts and assets cleared. Form 5. Application for LLP dissolution. Final filing to MCA. Delays or errors in filings can lead to penalties and delay in company closure. Why close an LLP properly? Avoid recurring compliance and penalties. Prevent future legal liability on partners. Fulfill tax, creditor, and employee obligations. Protect your creditworthiness and business record. Ensure peace of mind with clean MCA closure. Why Filings Corner? At Filings Corner, we do more than just filing. We deliver complete closure solutions, end-to-end legal assistance, managed by experienced CAs, CSs, and LLP compliance experts, fast and accurate filings, MGT, Form 3, 4, 5, and more, filed on time, every time, debt, tax, and ROC coordination, full support for reconciliations and settlements, fixed and transparent pricing, no surprises, no hidden costs, one-stop closure support, from partner resolution to final MCA strike-off, ready to wind up your LLP. Let us help you close your LLP with confidence and clarity. Call now or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started. Filings Corner, where compliance meets closure.